Good morning, Mabrodian. I'm Edse, guider from MMM Philippines Valenzuela chapter, content manager. I will make my letter of happiness about my requested help amounting 36,300. This is November 2. Okay, this one. Okay. This help include all the leadership bonus and the 30% accrued, referral bonus, and other bonuses from October 15 to November 2. This one, okay, there's no provide, all only bonuses. And you can see this one, China. Also thanks to our China MMM member for providing help, 36,300 so fast. Okay, thanks to our community, and thanks to our founder Sergi Mabrodi, of course to our MMM admin for taking care of our community. Okay, and this letter of happiness is intended for those who wants to join in MMM. So it's a great proof that MMM help. Mabuhay, and again, good morning.